uses magic and turns himself in a mushroom. Sophia picks a wall hanging. Emma can't decide what to show. Look at all the embers.
Što dalje piše? Ajde čitaj. Što tu piše?
Emma looks at all her paintings. At last she finds one she likes. She hopes her dad and mom will like it too.
Ti to se ozbiljno čitaš?
Naravno. Što dalje ima da vidimo? Ajde.
After Amber leaves, Sophia spots some jars of paint. Can help these away as these.
Reći će teta Tina, ova mala pojma nema o čitanju.
Da?
Da? Kad ju...
Neće, mala sve lijepo čita, ali neće da joj se ometa u čitanju, jel da?
Bla.
Ajde, sjedni, čitaj dalje.
James picks up the jars. They start to slip. Uh-oh, he cries. Paint flies everywhere.
Malo mu se prolila boja, ha?
Emma is going to be so mad at me, cries James.
Kaj tu piše?
Sophia and James try to wipe away the paint.
I šta tu piše? Šta su napravili?
They made the best. They made the mess worse. The painting is ruined. We can't tell Amber's sister.
Nekak su uništili boju, ha?
Dobro. Fino si čitala, hvala.
Evo dalje.